In this lesson, we're going to see Fusion for Web, which is basically, can be considered in two ways. One is just visualize and analyze and showcase and share your projects. The other one is actually to access Fusion and work online using a browser. So we're going to see both. And this is the link right here. It's fusion.online.autodesk.com. You need to access your account in order to do this, and we're gonna go back there in the browser in just a second. The other way we can access the web visualizer in this case is to start from Fusion from here. So you can pick one of your projects, or you can use all of them, and up here on the open on the web button, you can click and open the page. And so this is now just to, well, you can also do an upload here and save your files. And you can access your file from any device, from desktops or mobile, etc., etc. And here you can see the exact same things that you see in your Fusion, but you can see them online. It's like, let's say, a cloud space where you can manage your files, you can download them. If you are in another machine, you can share with other people. You can see the little share button there on the top. So everything is pretty familiar if you used to work with Fusion. And so here you can share, you can copy the link, you can send an email. You can also embed it in a website with the iframe. So if you're using WordPress or Dreamweaver, otherwise you can check our video courses in WordPress, Dreamweaver, Fusion, even if you're not familiar with Fusion. But anyway, you can basically from this panel, you can visualize, you can share, you can work with the axis, you can check the components, the properties, and also visualize the project in 3D with the last panel right here. So I'm sorry this is in Italian right now because my account right now is in Italian, but it's really, really easy to understand. And it's really similar to what you see again in Fusion. And we have a Fusion video course in English if you're interested. And here you have a series of tools that you can use to analyze, view, showcase your product or project to people who are interested. And then here you can copy, rename, delete, again, share, you can leave comments, and you can also export or save or download in different formats if you want to use it in other software, if you want to print it, if you want to also open it directly in Fusion. You have members and authorization, and etc., etc. So it's a complete management panel for your Fusion projects. Also here you can see we can download, you can open, we can change also the visualization type. We can create new folders, we can upload new files, we can change visualization, and we can preview or view the project, and that's it. This is the, let's say, the visualization part. Now there is also another part where you can actually work with that. Now with this, you can open on the desktop, rename it, share it, view it, modify it by going here and changing the name and a few other things. So well, the most interesting part is the visualization part, or the visualizer here. So you can pan, zoom, orbit, all the actions. You can also navigate in first person, which could be interesting for architectural projects like this one here. And you have you can set the camera and also set the depth of field, focal distance. You can rearrange the entire product and so on. Here you have measuring tools. You can put here, you can calibrate, etc., etc. And some other interesting features here. Let me show you. You can go back to the home view if you're lost on the top here, where the view cube is on the top right. You can also explode the model. So this will show the different parts or bodies of the model, and you can access the browser to see the different parts or bodies or components of the model. And you can change here the settings for visualization, for navigation, for the aspect, for the environment, like if you want to change the background and so on. So it's a complete visualization tool at your disposal. You can then print, you can also go in full screen and so on. Now, if we go again, fusion.online.autodesk.com, we can also launch Fusion here with a little button. So this is actually not the visualizator, but it's the actual software. Well, it's not a software, it's like a web app. So it's all running on online on the browser. It's going to be a bit slow if you don't have a good internet connection, but it's basically the same thing that you see in your computer, whether it's a desktop or laptop, and it's running on a web browser, so you can use it on a perhaps on a tablet or any device. It's just a browser. So on any computer, perhaps you don't have the software, you can access your account, get here and start working without actually having the software with you, or you can just make some refinements, adjustments to your projects. So you have all set of tools that are available in Fusion right here on a web browser. So that's really outstanding. And so you can check here the browser, you can access one component, you can modify it with any modifying tool, you can create, you can sketch, you can work 2D drawings, you can work 3D models. It's just that right now, in my case, it's just being a little bit slow, but I am in with a not great internet connection, so could be, so you can see it's a little bit slower than the desktop version, but I think it's really handy to have the possibility to access anytime, anywhere, with any machine to whatever project you're working with, and have give it a look, prepare it for a presentation or whatever. So that's it. So this is how you can access the web version of Fusion, the web app, and the rest you already know. If you don't know, you can check the Fusion video course for all the tools here and all the things you can do: animation, rendering, modeling, different types and of models and modeling techniques, different type of objects, surfaces, meshes, etc., etc. So you can also here change the workspace. You can go back to the home and pick another project or create a new project directly from here, and so on. So everything you can do in the desktop version, essentially, you can do it here. And so these are the lessons here of the video course if you're interested. So whatever you do here will also show in the desktop version. And you also have open on the web right here. But again, opening on the web like this, clicking on the little button, means that you're just going to visualize. You're just going to, you cannot work on that project. To work on the project, you need to be here in the web version. So that's the difference. And I hope this is clear for you. This video clarified a lot of things. So if you are happy, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter, check our other video courses, and see you in the next video guide.